Hello everyone, my name is Sulthan Rafi Abyan Hidayat and I'm here telling to you about my challenges facing about transformative AI into my community. So actually me are facing a really big problems, a big tough situations where my society and my community doesn't really know about AI itself, and it feels like taboo about AI. And for me as a young change maker, I feel really this problem has a really urgency to I need to change about people's mind. I need to change about people's thinking about the AI itself. So because they tend to use some a traditional way rather than using AI for their livings, for their dailies and something like that. So as a young change maker, I need and I really wanna have a team to change about my community and my city. Thank you.